Everybody, this is Kim. I'm back again with another video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom. Today is going to be another adult beverage video. So here we go. This video this video was sponsored by my husband, Damon. He found this peach Crown Royal. I guess one of his friends told him because he don't drink. Just a little bit. He drink a little bit. Not much to claim that he drinks. But he's seen this. He bought it for me. I was super surprised because it's the first time he's ever bought me liquor. But here we go. This is what the bottle looked like. And it actually just came out probably a couple of days ago. Yeah, so let's open it up. And I actually already broke the seal because I was kind of anxious to see exactly what it looked like. Let's see what it looks like. Here we go. This is, you know, their famous Crown Royal bag. That actually look like it's about true to color, what is coming on the screen. They're orange. It's like a peach color bag. And here goes. And here we go. Here we go. There you go, y'all. Crown Royal Peach. This is a peach whiskey for people who don't know. And they just say they infuse the whiskey with Georgia juicy peaches. They make sure they said juicy, but Georgia peaches. And they say it's good for on the rocks as well as with iced tea. And we're gonna try it both ways. We're gonna try it straight up, on the rocks and with the iced tea. Okay, let's get ready to open it. Y'all already know I be having problems opening these bottles. To me, it seems like they make them hard. Okay, there we go. So it's just supposed to be just all peach notes. I didn't see anything else that said anything about any other notes or any other flavor added to it. And also, don't forget, these are adult beverages. They're not made for kids. You have to be 21 and older in order to indulge in adult beverages. And drink responsibly. Okay, we got it open. Let's see the smell. It actually smells like peaches. Wow. Oh my God, it smells exactly like a peach. Not canned peaches, like a real peach. Wow, it's gonna be nice. Okay, I have my glass here. Let's pull it up. Has that nice amber color. Wow. Okay, let's taste it. That's good. Wow. And you most definitely could taste the peach. Smooth. No bite, no burning. Really, really smooth. No aftertaste. You know how you get that after kick, and that's when you really could taste if the liquor is good or not. No, none of that. No aftertaste. When it hits your tongue, you can actually taste that sweetness. You really taste that peach. Oh yeah, this is good. This is really, really good. That peach flavor is in it. Now, Let's try adding a couple of ice cubes with it. We're gonna put an ice cube in it and see what it tastes like on the rocks. We're gonna mix it up a little bit. Actually, I have a straw. Still tastes the same. That's good. So with this drink, you could drink it straight up or on the rocks. It is good either way. But I think I like it neat. Just straight up, no ice, just pour it in and good. I think I like it better the first way. With the ice in it, to me, I don't really taste that peach. When it was just straight up, I could really get that peach flavor. But now that I added the ice, I don't really taste that peach anymore. I mean, I know it's there, but I don't taste it like I did when it was just straight up. Also, I made some tea. We're gonna taste it like this. I made some tea, just a regular, just Lipton peach tea. I just brewed it, put it in this cup, and made iced tea. And we're gonna try it like that as well. So I'm gonna pour a little bit of the iced tea in it. I don't know, that might be a little too much. Now, here we go. It's not bad. This wouldn't be my favorite pick. The Crown Royal Peach with the tea is just okay for me. Yeah, that's just okay for me. I prefer it just straight up. No ice, no nothing, no tea. Just drink it straight up as it is. Pour me a glass. I'm good. Okay, maybe I did it wrong. It also says you're supposed to squeeze a lemon on the inside of it. So I'm gonna do that. And then lemon for garnish. Just add that to it. I'm gonna stir it up a little bit. I read it wrong. I just thought it was supposed to be just the peach whiskey and just tea, but it's actually peach whiskey, iced tea, as well as a lemon. Now let's taste it. It's still just okay for me. Still just okay. I think I just prefer it straight up. Yep. It do taste a little better with that lemon in it. And if you're looking for that recipe, you can find it directly on the back of the box. And that's called a Royal Peach Tea. Also, I used to have I think it's all gone. I used to have the Crown Royal Regal Apple or Apple Regal or whatever it is. But I do have the caramel Crown Royal, the salted Crown Royal. And this is actually really, really good. Oh my goodness. Get you a cream soda with this. And this is what that looked like. That's what the packaging looked like. The bottle. This salted caramel and the IBC cream soda. Oh my God. Is a match made in heaven. These two together is so good. And then around Christmas, this with eggnog, cannot go wrong. You cannot go wrong with this Crown Royal salted caramel and eggnog. Oh, I should have did a video on it, but I forgot. But these two most definitely is a match made in heaven. So if you can still find this salted caramel Crown Royal, grab you some of this, mix them together, you got you a really good drink. But this video ain't about these two. Alright, y'all. So that's my take on the Crown Royal Peach. This is really, really good. Really good. It's really good straight up. Now, stay tuned for my, I don't know if it's going to be my next video, but I'm most definitely going to come back and make some cocktails with this Crown Royal. So stay tuned for that one. So you got to subscribe in order to see that video. Don't forget to leave me some comments and also thumbs up the video, and also check out some of my other videos. All right, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.